Hello.
Hi.
Say again.
Hello.
Long time no see.
How are you?
It's fine. So, how's it going?
Alright, fine, yeah. Just enjoying the sunshine. Sitting in the sun and just feeding the swans.
Alright. So, the same with that day, I also gave you this.
Oh, you took pictures of me in the flag.
And
Very nice picture of the day. You know those old fashioned.
3, 2, 1, smile. To be a backpacker. So, what's the next station are you going to?
Edinburgh.
Edinburgh.
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice too. Yes, it's okay. For you.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Very jealous.
I'll take again. And there's another one for you.
Oh, you've already given me one. Hold on.
Instead of being the photographer, be the photographer.
Rented dress.
This is okay. For you. Esther's. Like last
For
time.
me?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, because I can show my friend it.
Yes. Yes.
It's a natural photo.
Yes.
That's very nice. I don't want to put the accent still don't need it.
Okay. It's very nice. It's very lucky to see you again.
Yes. Did you find any dragonflies?
It's very beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yes. You like photographers than me.
You're better than me. I got close up and I noticed he was eating a little tiny beetle.
Oh.
And I went, I can't believe it, I got it on camera. So, see you
Okay.
again. And, hopefully we'll see you again.
Yes. If I see you next time, I also give you a picture. Yes. It's big moments. Bye bye.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, can I take for the last photo? Bye bye.
是的，好久不见。当你再次遇见心中期许的那个人时，当初见面时埋下的机缘巧合便自动生根发芽。是啊，人们都总是盼望着再见，可真正的再见有多少呢？亲爱的你，早安。